Hey, what's good, guys? If you're in your late 20s or 30s, you've probably felt this, that pressure to always be on, to feel good, to have your life together. Work, relationships, the gym, hustle. It's like you're supposed to be crushing it 24/7. But the truth is, life isn't supposed to feel good all the time. The crazy part, accepting that might actually make you feel better more often. Today, we're diving into why chasing feeling good can screw you over and how embracing the tough moments can unlock real lasting happiness. I'm backing this up with solid research, so stick with me. If you want to level up your mental game, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. All right, so let's start with this question. How many times have you thought, if I just get that promotion, that car, that chick, I'll finally feel good? We've all been there. Society tells us, especially as men, that happiness is the goal. Grind, win, feel awesome. But science says chasing happiness can actually make you less happy. Check this out. A 2011 study in the journal Emotion by Moss and colleagues found that people who obsess over feeling happy end up feeling worse. Why? Because when you're constantly chasing a good vibe, you set unrealistic expectations. Life throws a curveball, your boss chews you out, Tinder date ghosts you, and suddenly you're not just dealing with the problem, you're pissed because you're not happy. So it's a double hit. Another study from 2015 by Ford and others showed that the more you prioritize happiness, the more you feel disappointed. It's like you're running on a treadmill all the time, chasing a finish line that keeps moving. And for dudes like us, that pressure to have it all together actually makes it worse. You feel like you're failing if you're not pumped and up all the time. So, the truth bomb here is that life is not supposed to feel good all the time. And that's not just me saying that, science backs that up. Negative emotions like stress, sadness, anger, they're normal. They're part of being human. Trying to dodge them is like trying to bench press without ever feeling the burn, you know? It just doesn't work. A 2003 study in Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that suppressing negative emotions, like pretending you're fine when you're actually stressed as shit, actually tanks your mental health. It increases stress and it makes you feel disconnected. So think about it. How many times have you bottled up frustration at work or with a friend only to feel like garbage later? On the flip side, a 2007 study in Emotion by Tamir and others showed that accepting negative emotions when they make sense, like feeling sad after a breakup or pissed after a bad day, actually sets you up for better long-term happiness. Why? Because you're not fighting yourself. You're letting your brain do what it's wired to do, process the full range of emotions. For us guys, this can be hard. We're often taught to man up, to push through without feeling the weight. But accepting that life sometimes sucks isn't weakness, it's a strength. It's like knowing when to rest between sets at the gym. You don't max out every day, you recover, and that's what actually allows you to grow. So how do you stop chasing the good vibes only trap? The answer is acceptance. And I'm not talking about some, woo-woo bullshit here. This is backed by hardcore research, like acceptance and commitment therapy, otherwise known as ACT. A 2006 study in the journal Behavior Research and Therapy showed that people who practiced accepting their negative emotions without trying to fix or avoid them had lower anxiety and depression over time. Another study from 2007 in the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology found that ACT, I just mentioned it, which teaches you to roll with tough emotions, outperformed traditional therapy for anxiety and mood issues. Here's what that looks like in real life. Say you're stressed about a work deadline. Instead of telling yourself, I shouldn't feel this way, I need to be positive, say, all right, I'm stressed, that's okay, this is tough, but I can handle it. That shift changes everything. You're not wasting energy fighting how you feel, you're just moving through it, and that's what your brain is designed to do. Mindfulness research backs this up. A 2010 meta-analysis by Hoffman and others in the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology looked at 39 studies and found that accepting emotions through mindfulness cuts stress and boosts well-being. Even self-compassion, being kind to yourself when you're struggling, helps. A 2007 study in the Journal of Research and Personality showed that guys who cut themselves some slack sometimes during tough times bounce back faster. So, how do you actually do this? Here are 3 practical steps to stop chasing feeling good and start living better. Number 1, name the feeling. Next time you're pissed, stressed, or down, call it out. Say it to yourself. You can literally say it out loud if you need to. I'm feeling angry. A 2010 study in psychological science showed that labeling emotions reduces their intensity. It's like spotting the enemy before the fight starts. Number 2, stop judging yourself. Feeling like crap doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're human. Remind yourself it's okay to not be okay. That self-compassion research by Neff that I mentioned earlier, it says this is key to being resilient. Number 3, take one step forward. Acceptance doesn't mean wallowing, it means feeling the emotion and still taking action. So you're stressed about work, feel it, and then tackle a task. Sad about a breakup, let it hurt, then hit the gym or go hang out with a friend. The truth is that life's not supposed to feel good all the time, and that's not a bad thing. And when you stop chasing happiness and start accepting the full range of what you feel, you actually open the door to feeling good more often. That's what really matters. And science proves this. Accepting the tough stuff builds resilience. It cuts stress, and it sets you up for real lasting happiness. So next time life feels heavy, don't fight it, lean into it. You got this. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, share this with a friend who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Drop a comment. What's one tough emotion you're going to accept this week? And we can talk about it in the comments if you want. Until next time, stay real, and I'll catch you in the next one.